Well, if you're traveling full time and you need to do your laundry and you have Boondockers Welcome membership, this is the place to go in the Panhandle. It's in Defuniak Springs, I think is how you pronounce it. And they have this set up where they have 3 separate locations for people to pull in and boondock at up to 5 nights. And one of them has up to 50 amp, the other has up to 30 amp, and then the third has just a 15 amp plug. They all have water and sewer, so you can be hooked up to sewer the whole time. And they just have this wide open space that you can see here. There's some horseshoes. There's a big bonfire location that he sometimes lights up if the winds are not strong, because they will come from the south and tend to go towards where the RVs are. So he will light the fire if it's not very windy. And most of all, they set up a laundry area, and they bought these pretty nice machines that can fit a ton in it, and all they ask is for $5 per load. So that's wash and dry, $5 for the load. And I mean, we fit a lot of stuff in there. Our comforters fit all in one load. It was pretty impressive. And they also set up a bathroom near their workshop, and this bathroom is just so cozy. It has a shower, they have towels in there, they have rags, everything you could ask for. The shower is actually, I haven't seen this before, but it's on a pressure treated pallet, and this way it prevents from funguses or fungi, prevents from fungi to infect people as they come through, you know, just no fungi, I guess. And that's about it. I mean, if you just need to take a break, stop for a few days and get some stuff that needs to be done, laundry, cleanup, whatever. He even offered for me to do my oil change here, which I didn't get around to it, but he said I could do the oil change and leave the oil, because they use the used oil to paint fences, which is a pretty nice way to recycle and reuse that. But yeah, Defuniak Springs, Boondockers Welcome. Check them out, very welcoming. I won't say the name of the hosts, but they are extremely welcoming. We talked to them for hours in the few days that we spent here. They gave us plenty of tips and also taught us a few things here and there. That's about all I got for this place. And as always, you can live more if you debt less.